Hello, my most amazing artists. We are going to create outer space. So what you're going to do is you're going to write your name on here and your class code. Then you're going to flip over your paper and we're going to paint. So you are going to use cool colors. No greens though. We're going to use violets, blues, and a light blue. And you will need white, which is a neutral color, but we are not ready to use that quite yet. What you are going to do is you are going to paint outer space. So we're going to make our outer space with some cool colors. Get some water on your brush, rub it gently in here. Don't mess up your brush hair. You want it to still have a nice hair day. And put it on your paper. What you can then do is get some of the other cool colors that you may use and start spreading it out and mixing it together. Now, if you want your color to be darker, just get a little more paint on there. So I'm overlapping these here together a little. And just gonna have random shapes to fill in my paper. You must fill in your whole paper. I should not see any white space showing through. Make sure you clean your brush off in between, wipe it, and get a new color. Do not be mixing those colors on the mat. Now I have my outer space painted how I want it to be painted. If you want to make colors darker, like I said, you can add some more of that paint on there, going over top of it, layering it. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a toothbrush and you're going to get some white, which is a neutral color. Rub your toothbrush in that white so that now I should have some of that white on my toothbrush. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold your finger, your pointer finger, underneath your toothbrush. And as you can see, it's going to get a little messy. And then you're going to rub your finger over your toothbrush, pointing your finger and your toothbrush down towards the paper. If you are purposely getting this on somebody else or making a huge mess of this, you will not be doing this. So what I'm just doing is I'm splattering this all over. Please also make sure that you have a mat because this is a pretty messy activity. And this is just gonna look like stars on my paper. Some can be bigger stars, some can be small stars. It's up to you how many stars you want to put on here. Now I'm done with this. I'm going to set this over to the side so I can start my next part of my project. I hope you have a lot of fun doing this, my most awesome artist.